Are you ready to have a home you can call your own? Where you live right now could be a good fit for you, but if you're paying rent, you're limited in what you can do. You don't have the freedom to make the house a home. Often you're restricted from painting or hanging a family picture on the wall, and if you decide to make home improvements, you're only making your landlord richer because you're never reimbursed for the sweat and money you put into the house. Renting doesn't allow you to have that pride of ownership. You're forced to live by someone else's rules and regulations. But really, it's not your fault. The system has made it extremely difficult. Traditional banks, realtors, and mortgage brokers make you jump through so many hoops, you lose hope of ever realizing your dream. And the scary part is, the rules change every day. Right now, home values are going down, but the required credit scores are going up. And with all the inflation, interest rates are going to go up too. Now is the best time to buy. Pretty soon, the housing market will stabilize and prices will skyrocket. Whatever you do, do not sit on the sidelines. If you can't buy a home in this market, when will you? The longer you wait, the more money you'll waste on rent instead of building equity in a home you can call your own. Don't continue the cycle of being a renter, dealing with rent increases, or the uncertainty of being forced out, discovering that you've wasted your hard-earned money making your landlord richer every month. You work hard every day. You do your best to make ends meet. You deserve to be a homeowner. Now, if you're making a rent payment, you can afford the monthly payments for a house. It could be that huge down payment that's probably keeping you from moving forward. And that's exactly what traditional lenders, realtors, and mortgage brokers insist you have to become a homeowner. It's the only way they know, but there is a way, even if you don't have a lot of money to put down. But if you did have a huge down payment, applying for a traditional mortgage is worse than being interrogated by the IRS or the feds. You'll be overwhelmed with personal questions, drowned in paperwork, and forced to go through a grueling underwriting process. Traditional lenders will look for every reason to deny you. They'll tell you to save more money or wait to clear minor issues off your credit report. All the while, you keep flushing rent checks down the toilet with no tax savings, no equity, no ownership, nothing to show for it. If you're open-minded and serious about becoming a homeowner today, there is a way. What if you could become a homeowner within the next 30 days, no matter how long you've been trying, even if you don't have a substantial down payment? What if this were the last month you wrote a check to make your landlord richer? What if you could start fixing up your house just the way you always imagined? And what if finally you could boast to all your family and friends that you are a homeowner? Sound too good to be true? Let me explain who we are and what we do. We are not a traditional lender, realtor, or mortgage broker. When you have great credit and a huge down payment, traditional banks, realtors, and mortgage brokers are great at finding a house. But what about when you don't? When traditional lenders, realtors, and mortgage brokers are out of solutions, we have several. We are creative and will find a home that fits your situation. Some traditional home buying programs charge more than 5% alone in closing costs. Not only will we save you these fees, depending on your situation, with a small down payment of 5% or a fraction of that, you can begin enjoying your own home today. We specialize in finding properties. We have creative solutions that traditional lenders, realtors, and mortgage brokers don't even know about. And frankly, they don't want you to know either, because they don't make any money or fees. Is your credit score less than perfect because of poor decisions you made in the past? We'll work with you rather than forcing you to wait years to clear credit. You can move in within the next 30 days, decorate your new home to fit all your needs, and start enjoying the benefits of home ownership. You'll finally get a chance to feel that pride of being a homeowner. Do you have a good credit score, but just haven't been able to save up for a large down payment? We have creative solutions that will let you own a home without jumping through all the hoops of a loan approval. Not to mention, without all the lengthy and complicated forms and the long underwriting process, requiring that you provide more and more documentation. We don't believe buying a home has to be so complicated. Do you? We make it simple, with no lender needed. you can stop making your landlord richer. Our plan is to let you begin to immediately enjoy all the benefits of homeownership. All the property tax deductions, tax write-offs, increased equity, and property appreciation you deserve as a homeowner. Traditional lenders, bankers, and realtors will say in your situation, your choices are limited, and feel you should settle for what you can get. We don't feel you should settle just because your situation doesn't fit into their ideal formula. You have as much a right to choose your home as anyone does, and that's exactly what we're going to give you the opportunity to do. They'll tell you to keep waiting and saving until you can restore your credit. If you want to waste your time waiting, go ahead, but we can usually get you approved in 5 business days or less, no matter your situation or history. Our creative homeowner solutions are tailored to meet your needs. Take a few minutes and fill out our VIP homeowner form right now. It will let us create a fast and simple solution to make you a homeowner within the next 30 days. You owe it to yourself to at least explore how you can break free from wasting your money on rent and start experiencing all the pride and benefits of homeownership. There's no risk and no obligation. We take your privacy very serious and will never share your information with anyone without your permission. We're real people committed to finding a creative solution to get you into a house no matter what your credit history or situation. So take a few minutes and fill out our VIP homeowner form right now.